Okay, what is that question is, there is a view, there is an interface. Okay, in ServiceNow, we know there are multiple interfaces are there. Okay, so let's talk about interfaces. Views, again views will come, but we should not pronounce them as views. Okay, that's why I said interfaces. Okay, UI 15, UI 16. Okay, so service portal. Now agent workspace. Okay, and
Self-service.
now what ma?
Self-service.
Self-service is not a kind of interface ma. It's just a kind of landing page where you see all the cart items. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Employee center.
ServiceNow with the Uta version onwards, they're coming up with one thing called Employee
Employee
Central.
center.
Very, 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 very
Center.
new one. Okay. We are trying to see that, but there are so many technical challenges to replicate all
Employee
of them.
center it is.
Employee Center, yes, Employee Center. Yes.
Center. Yeah.
So,
Sir,
see,
what is interfaces?
interfaces means how you are seeing the tool.
Mhm.
Okay, I will come up now. Once we cover one or two, then we will see why I said interfaces. Okay, we
Okay,
also
sir.
call them as views, but if I say view, sir, you will beat me. Sir, you said form view, list view. There you used views, and yesterday you covered one topic that is also views. Now here also views. Okay, so what is actually views, sir? So that's why I didn't use views. Sometimes we use it's okay UI 16 view, UI 15 view, portal view. That also we use it, but I didn't use it intentionally to make no confusions. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
first, when ServiceNow started its journey, it came with UI 15. It was like this. Okay, so initially, maybe if you just go to Berlin, Dublin, Chile, okay, that kind of Geneva, okay, somewhere around, right? So it was the old UI, old interface where you see less graphics, less cosmetics. It looks little normal, very plain. Okay, we just go and see open all. So the way it shows, are you able to see there is something different than that we normally see the pages and the look and feel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and it is more simple and smooth form. Okay, smooth view. Okay, the loading also. If you see, it will be very fast if you observe it. It will taka taka will come. But if you just go to the other view like UI 16, the one which we are using it, that will take little time because they have so much of color, so much of graphics and all. Okay. The first view is UI 15 view, user interface 15. That's how the service now came up with. Okay. Good. First thing. Next thing, after few days, okay, the more people have started using it, okay, they want to groom their interface also, okay, to attract the many people, okay. They made UI 16, which is our native UI, which we normally daily use it. So I am going to here, settings, and I'm just clicking it, switch to UI 16. So right now it is in UI 15, okay. Now this is UI 16. The current one which we daily use is UI 16, okay. So you can I use UI 15? Yes, you can go. You can go and you can shift it and then you can start using it. No one will stop us. Okay. So still many world people, not world people, means people who started ServiceNow years back, they still use this tool, use this view because it is a little faster and they like Excel. So this is a more like Excel view. Okay. So it looks little simple. It looks very, it loads very simple. So they feel like this. They feel very light people. They are not challenging people. Okay. So UI 15 is there. The current one UI 16 is there. Two things. This point is clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Everyone till this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Now the third thing is okay. There is something came up maybe some 4 years back or 5 years back called, or maybe more than 5 years back, 6 years back, something called Service Portal. Okay. Service Portal. Okay. It will be like this. ServiceNow, you are using ServiceNow like this. This is our standard UI, right? Standard interface. But we, for end users, we give this kind of view. This is also service portal. They see the things here. Okay, it's also an interface, more more lavish. and more customized one. This UI 16 cannot be customized more deeper. Okay, so see here, if I open incident, I don't want to see this tab, or I want to see this tab here. Okay, I don't want to see incident here. I don't want to see number here. I want to see, okay, my company SKFacts incident here. So there are so many things where you can't do anything here. You use the existing template or widget. We call it as a widget, the backend structure name, right? In UI 16 or UI 15. But Porter is something like, okay, this is how the base out of the box image is. Now you can redesign it. If you know web development, you can redesign everything here. So I don't want, how can I help you here? I can, okay, may I help you? And I don't want this kind of one. I want very lavish one. The colors, okay. I want to put my company name here. I don't want to keep ServiceNow here. I want to keep my company name here. So everything you can customize it. You can rebuild the not only this, but see, this is a basic out of the box widget, na? Means view. You can redesign your complete view. So let's say make my trip, right? So like this also you can convert your portal. This much lavish also you can do. But the more lavish you do, the more work you need to do. Okay. So these kind of interfaces also can be customized in service portal. Service portal is also one more interface where I can access all the catalog items, I can raise the request, I can go my approvals, I can check my approvals. If I have any approval, then I can approve it. I can see all my incidents, I can see all my tasks. So in single place, I can see everything here. So what are the things we exposed for portal? The end users can start seeing them here only. They don't need to go to here. Okay. And in live environment, we don't give access to this interface, means UI 16 interface. We give access to this interface if they are non-ITIL people, means end users, normal users. Okay, for them, for their day-to-day work, this is enough. They can see their incidents, they can raise the tasks and incidents here, they can work on their approval. So everything, whatever the end user need it, we give from here
That means you will have their user ID created in system without any roles.
without any roles. Yes, means yeah, without any roles you can say, or like if yeah, without any roles. If they want to access this one, means this one, maybe they
Yeah.
should have minimum ITL role. That way we can
Yes,
say.
understood. Because roles are equivalent to licensing, right? So
Correct,
you
correct.
don't have license, so
Yeah,
but you want them to use this, they can.
yes, yes. Till this point, everyone cute, ma? Everyone clear, ma?
So when you say no roles, they should be at least minimum having that authenticated role to access this one, right, sir? So
No
they should,
role means no role, man. Okay, if you create just a user, okay, system will create you SNC internal.
okay,
Okay, that
automatically
itself
added there.
is that itself is a role. That too came from last 3 4 versions, but before that there is no SNC internal role also. A role where user record go to roles, you don't see nothing. You see nothing there.
Yeah, I'm seeing now SNC internal. That's why I'm
That
asking.
is that is also an indication. Okay, it's just a role where you don't have any other roles except a login. That's it. Clear now, everyone? What is
So
service?
we can build this way in UI 16 where
What do you want to build, man?
to service portal we can modify it, right? Where we can modify it.
We can modify everything however you want to modify. Okay, shift control
So
C. Yes,
so for this service portal there is a authentication, right?
you. None. There is no separate authentication. The same user. I am using service now in a different interface.
No, if we are giving to end user, right? So we need to provide username and password.
They will how you are accessing this one. Okay, in live environment they will access that also in the same way. They will open this URL. That's it. Okay. When they open
Uh,
this URL, if they don't have ITL role, they will directly move to this page, SP page /SP. Clear?
okay.
So, sir,
Uh,
whatever facilities we are seeing in the developer instance now, in the service now,
mhm.
same things we'll get in service portal,
We
just
can
that the
expose one.
UI can be customized in a better way.
We can expose whatever the services we wanted to expose there.
Okay,
By default,
okay.
it won't come. We need to expose it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So it's
okay,
just
yeah.
another interface here. Okay, fine. That's it. We don't discuss much about this one. Then for last version, last before 2 versions, no, not before 2 versions, when we upgraded Madrid, then San Diego. So from I think San Diego onwards, they introduced one thing called Agent Workspace. So another interface. Okay, so the end users will access their tickets, work, everything in Agent Workspace view this way. Okay, it is coming up. Yesterday we seen it, right? So this is Agent Workspace view. This is also another view. Okay, here I can create an incident. I can see all my incident. Okay, I can see everything here. Whatever we want to expose, like incident, change, see here. This is same like a navigator. We can see everything here. Okay, whatever we want to keep it there. Good. Now let's open one incident here. So very carefully see. This is the question. Okay, I can see an incident. I am opening it. When I'm opening it now, I have only single page here. See here, I am opening multiple incidents. Okay, here, right? I'm seeing simple like a Chrome tabs where you can see all the incidents in one place. Okay, now here also you see the same way how you see in the form. Okay, number. Okay, color. This is first pane. Okay, second pane. So everything what you see the same thing, and these are the other tabs that you see on the incident form. Okay, so like this notes related list. Okay, so everything what you see there will show here also. Do you are able to see this, ma? Yes. So see here, maybe this incident if you see. Okay, so we are started seeing from caller number, caller, first name. No, so same way it will show here. Okay, more or less. Okay, sir, this is the question yesterday came. Can I customize this view? So I don't want to see. I don't want to see here. Maybe I don't want to see service offering here. These two I don't want to see. Can I customize it? Okay, this is the question someone asked to me. Okay,
I only asked you.
yes, sir. Okay, now I'll go here. We do it. See here, I'm going to any one of the incident record. Okay, right click, configure, form design. Okay, or form layout, whatever it is. Right? What view it is? Workspace view. So take the workspace view. Where is workspace view? Did you see workspace view? One second.
First option.
At the top.
Top option. No? Very good. So right now, whatever you are seeing there are arranged as per this one. This is workspace view. So this arrangement you see there. Okay, in the workspace interface. Where is that workspace interface here? Okay. Now customize from here. So I don't want this one. I don't think so I can change. Why I can't change? Give me a second.
Sir, workspace and service operation workspace are both same or two different ones?
Workspace is an interface, and if you are showing CMDB there, then CMDB workspace. Okay. If you are showing something there, then that workspace. Okay. I removed it. No, no, no. What I removed? Nothing. I removed from default view. Right. Give me a second now. Where I am thinking, where I am doing. So default view, workspace view. Somehow, yeah, this is the reason. Okay. Right now, yes, go here. This is a different scope. It's not in default scope. So I am changing to default scope, this particular scope to do the changes. Application scope. Okay, very good. ITSM application. ITSM application. What is that application we seen? ITSM application. ITSM workspace. So this is the scope. Okay, very good. I changed the scope. Right. Now here, yes, refresh this page. Yeah, very good. Go back. Go back to the form layout. We are in that application scope. Okay. So which view I am in? Any view. That is fine. Go here. Form layout. Okay. It may feel a little heavy for first time learners. If you are feeling very not comfortable, then just ignore it. Okay. Create a view in ITSM. Okay. Looks like we need to create one more view on ITSM. Okay. I need to create one more view.
No, you are in default view. Change the view to ITSM view.
No, no.
Scroll down.
I'm in default view. Oh, very good. So
Scroll.
got it.
Just scroll down.
Got it. Correct. Thank you. Okay.
So that's where I see both views, sir, service operation workspace and workspace.
Maybe that is a different view. Mo.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm here. I don't want these two. Okay. I'll just move it up. Okay. It's like our form layout changes. we've seen it already, but as it is a different application scope, we need to change it. Now go here. Okay, service offering I removed. Now let's focus here. It should be removed as per my learning. Yeah. So do we see service and service offering here? Do we see here? They removed. Yes, everyone.
Yes.
Yes. So like this, we can do so many customization. So there only. So see here, assign to me is there. This is called UI action. Okay. So I don't want to see maybe in this way. So we go to assigned, right? I want to make something else to work. So you go to UI action, assign to me. This is a little advanced now. Okay. As question came, I'm trying to answer it. And it's also related to views. That's why I'm covering here. It's not to confuse you. Okay. Assigned N-E-N-G-G-N. Assigned to what is the name? What is the name we say? Assigned to me. Assigned to me. So this UI action we didn't cover, but just a concept I'm covering it. Okay. Which table? Incident table. This one, right? So here, if you observe it for workspace, there are some settings. Okay. To show it on the workspace. Okay. To behave separately on the workspace, you have a separate window to configure. It's coming up. Okay. So here, you want to show it on a workspace. Check it. Okay. How you want to show. Okay. And if you check it, you get one more box to write a separate script for workspace. You can reconfigure. You can do. Okay. Give me a second. Go for global. And very good. Yeah. This is how it looks like. There would be a separate box for workspace scripting also. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Do you see? I'm right now this one I want to show it in workspace. Okay. So I click it. When I click it, then you can redefine everything. Right now it works same way it works in the normal view. Okay. But if you change it, it will work differently in the workspace. Some functions, standard functions, will not work on workspace. Okay. That is itself is a big progress. When you want to go for workspace in your organization, you need to convert all your UI policies to make it work on this particular interface also. That is the challenging thing. And this works in different technology. It won't be direct. It is something where we don't find concepts in ServiceNow documentation also. The methods, scripting methods, functions, and all. Okay. It is all too advanced for now. We don't touch it. Okay. What I want to touch it is as we covered views. Okay. In workspace also, in the agent workspace view also, we can see an incident. And if you want to do some tweaks, okay, on the form layout, list layout, how you do? That's what my topic.
Sir, main purpose of using this agent workspace, why, sir?
Very
I
good.
mean, is
Because if what I discovered it is in one screen you get everything.
there is a team communication purpose or
Mainly
internal?
for service desk where they can handle multiple incidents at the same time. Like at home, it is for the easy efficiency.
So
And it is,
see here, you
yeah,
are here. Okay, I am working on 10 incidents. What I will do, I will open all 10 incidents and 10 tabs will come here. Correct? If
Yeah.
it is agent workspace, you see everything here. So 1, 2, 3, and not only incident, you can open a change here. You can open an interaction here. You can open a problem here. So you see a simple
Okay, multiple,
page and
multiple. Forms.
yeah.
but
So
but
yes, sir.
Sridhar, if you ask me from a user prospect, now my screen has become small where I can see 10 incident. Here I can see only one incident with the field on my eyes. It is only I can see two field of the incident and I need to keep on scrolling.
That's how this
If
is
you ask,
designed. So
yeah,
you can change the format little down so that it
no,
compress it. By default,
you can't change
by
because
default,
I don't,
huh,
uh
by
you
default, this
cannot
is
have,
the view. That's it.
I got it.
Yeah, it looks like, see
So
here, I can see only three here, right? This is what you are
three years,
complaining. Yes, sir.
correct.
This is how it is
So
designed. Yeah,
understood. Because to read it is very difficult. I can't read the entire thing.
correct. That is the challenge. But yes, maybe you can remove this particular third one, so it will little expand it. Okay, that how,
And te-
right?
tell me one. Yeah,
This way we can,
I got that.
and this way we can do. Yeah, this way we can do something like this.
tell me one thing. Does this increase the your productivity or your system speed?
This is little
Because
faster, that is for sure. Then see opening this incident like this, then this one is too much faster. Agent workspace is little faster.
yeah, so
Yeah, that is
because that
performance side, it is fine. But
the
the challenging
performance
side,
side
yeah,
understood. So performance side from the system is fine, but productivity and performance from the user side will go down.
they need
That is
no
for
no
sure.
no, they need to tune it. See, generally we face that. Okay, maybe I will start my discussion. Okay, in our technical
No
discussion
problem.
in a minute.
Yeah, yeah,
Generally, whenever a new thing comes, okay, we try to push to agents first, not to all global, but maybe one separate US agents, okay, Israel agents. They will start barking on us. It's like too much scolding they will do. We don't like it. It is hampering our work. Okay, we are convenient to this world view. Now you are pushing, you are forcing us. This is not good. Then they will start complaining it. After few days, they will like it, and then they will forget the world view. So the new change will be always little hard, but they need to tune it. Okay, even service portal also. When service portal came initially, people started using this one. They suddenly go into service portal page and then see where is service now. You told no, so sir, where is service now here? Correct. And so once they started seeing it, okay, I can see my all approvals here. Earlier, I used to go here and then type approvals and then access it and then click it. Okay. So I need to do so many things here. Now there, here, I have everything in centralized place. It is an easy access. I can show my incidents. I can show my everything. So once you started using it, once you are habituated the interface, then we feel light. So that's the question. That is the
no,
answer.
no, no.
Yeah,
I got it, but
it is like this
the
only.
moment
Correct.
you,
It is like this
the
only.
moment, the moment you clicked on approval, I can see all my approvals from the service
Correct.
portal page.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So which means it is giving me a clarity that these many approvals are there. I can see that entire stuff.
Yeah.
But when you come from here, when you click it, you see only two approval, and then you keep on clicking, clicking, clicking,
That
clicking.
is yes. Yes. Yes.
It is painful.
Yes. It's
Sir,
painful.
I think here.
I will try to wrap up, ma, because it's not our core discussion. The more
Mm,
we discuss, it will drag. Okay. I know service portal. Everyone wants to have more details on service portal, but we'll end up here, ma. Okay. And last interface is employee center. It's very new. After agent workspace, they want to make it more flexible one. Okay. That is also like yes, an employee central came. Okay, here you can have more tabs. I have IT, I have HR, I have facilities, I have something else. Okay, then I can keep all the tabs here. Okay, in single place you can you can navigate to anything and then you can hierarchy. It's like more convenient.
Yeah, ServiceNow is saying to use employee center rather than service portal.
Yes, they are they see how they will push us is they will keep something and then they will start introducing it and later they will ask us to use it and then they will decommission the previous one. We have to use it. Okay, and then they will keep some extra budget on it. It won't be free.
Yeah, yeah, everything is sales only.
Okay,
Every,
that's how they promote it. So the interfaces is the first thing. Okay, for us these are not required for now, just to know, that's it. Okay, later advanced state we will learn this development also separately, but UI 15 UI 16 you can learn it. Okay, but as to cover the yesterday's question, now we know view, we know form layout, form design. So if we do some change, it is also affecting some other place that we need to aware of. Correct? Everyone, yes, this point is clear, ma?
Yeah, one question, sir. Here, in real live environment, which interface and which use case we will prefer for that in general? We have right
It depends.
agent
It
workspace
depends
and
on the client. It depends on the client what they want to keep it, sir. So service portal is a common interface. Okay. In live environment, we expose service portal for non-agents, means non-ITL people, end users. They see only that. Okay. And for ITL people, they will be having UI 16 plus service portal access. Okay. And agent workspace is an advanced one. Not every company have it because customizing the changes is very difficult here. It's not a direct one. Okay, we struggled a lot for San Diego. So if you have agent workspace, then you use agent workspace for ticket handling groups. Okay, so that their work will be more convenient. So employee center is not yet come. So it depends on how we expose our interfaces to the respective people. Is the answer. Clear?
Employee center is same as a mega menu, sir.
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever the employee central tool is there, na, that kind of interface they want to implement it in ServiceNow, ma, so that they see everything in one single place. Okay, all good so far. So I'll move to our next topic. Okay.